So, good evening, everyone. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Nitin Singh, and I'm pursuing my BTech in Computer Science from GLA University, Mathura. Currently, I'm working on a front-end project for single page attribute. I used to prefer the React.js, which is a library of JavaScript, and for backend, I use Node for local server, and for database, I use MongoDB. So today we are going to learn the important concept that is called searching. So uh, first let me tell you what's searching. Suppose you have 10 apples in a bucket and you have to find the apple which is rotten or which is not perfect. So what you will do, you will pick an apple and you will notice that yeah, this is rotten or not. If it's not rotten, you will put that apple in that bucket again, and again you will put this second, you will pick this second apple. You will notice that it's rotten or not. If it's not rotten, then you will pick that that apple in that buckets again. Suppose you got to know that the sixth apple is rotten. So what does it mean? It means that at index number 6, or at sixth value, at sixth apple is rotten. So that's called searching. Searching simply means getting an element, getting a thing, or suppose sorry, getting a thing at a particular index or a particular digit. We used to prefer searching with the reference of index or a digit, or in any format. Searching simply means getting a particular element on a particular index. So let me write the brief description about searching. So what searching means? Searching means getting a particular element at a, sorry, my bad, spelling of element is wrong. Element at a particular index. All right. So suppose you have to search an element at a particular index in an array. So what you will do? So before moving into the concept of arrays, the searching of the concept of searching in arrays, let me tell you the types of searching. So we have two types of searching. First we have linear search, and second we have binary search. So today we will be only learning the concept of linear search. Binary search I'll cover in other lecture. Okay. So what we mean by linear search? Okay. So what do you mean by linear? Linear means we are moving in a sequential order. Suppose we have searched for first element, we have searched for second, then third, then fourth, then fifth, then sixth, then seventh, and so on. It means we are searching in a sequence order. Suppose, so let me write the brief description about the linear search. So linear search means searching in the particular sequence, my bad, in a particular sequence. So okay, linear search means searching in the particular sequence. Okay. So what if a person say that hey, search the index 2 element in an array. So what you will do, you will simply, before doing anything, let me initialize and declare an array in the same step. 1 2 3 4 and 5. So what you will do first, the first and final approach is that you will take a help of a loop. Okay. and with the help of loop you will traverse till the element which you want to search. Suppose uh, let me create a while loop of int i is equal to 0 till the length of an array. So suppose you want to search for the element which is at index number 2. So what you will do, as we all know, the indexing of an array starts from 0. So let me take an if condition. If array of I means array in which the traversal part will be covered by the index which I have taken as I, which is initialized from 0. So array of I is equal to in Java we use double equal to for comparison and single equal to for assigning a value. So if array of I is equal to suppose I want to get I suppose I want to search for 2. Okay, I want to search for 2, that hey please tell me the index of 2. So if array of I is equal to 2, I will simply print the index. Okay, so let me run it for you. See, uh, 2 is present at index 1. As I have told you earlier, the indexing of array starts from 0. So 1 will be at index 0, 2 will be at index 2, 2 will be at index 1. Suppose you want to search the index of 4. 4. Let me run it for you. 4. So let's count 0, 1, 2, 3. At index number 3, 4 is present. So that's called linear search. So as I have told you earlier, linear search means searching in the particular sequence. Okay. If you will notice that we are starting from index number 0 and we are checking that 4 is equal to 4 is at index 0, no. 4 is at index 2, 1, no. 4 is at index 2, no. 4 is at index 3, yes. If yes, then print that index. So that means the linear search. Okay, so I want to show you I want to show you the linear search in string too. Okay, uh, for now we have covered the linear search in an array, and now we are going to learn the linear search in a string. As we all know, a string is a primitive data type. A string is a non-primitive data type. Okay, and so a string, or we can say string is a reference data type. So I'm declaring a string. Okay, a string str is equal to, suppose my name Nathan Singh. Okay, and I want to search. Wait. I don't want to give a white space. Okay, suppose I want to search that hey, uh, tell me the index of S. Okay, so let's see. So the approach will be same. We will be taking a for loop in which we will traverse the for loop till the length of string, and same if in string we don't use the concept of the concept of arrays like I have used array of I. In string we don't use like that. In string we have a method called char at. With the help of char at we used to get the particular element at a particular index. So if str dot char at, in which I'm going to give the index I which I have taken inside our loop. So if str dot char at is equal to So str.char at returns a character. So if str.I is equal to s, I have taken a capital S, then simply return me the index of S. Okay, let me comment down all the things which we don't need right now. You can use forward slash or alt plus forward slash to comment. Two times forward slash. Okay, just a second, just a second. Now it's perfect. So let me run it for you. So see, as in string 2, the indexing starts from 0. That means n is present at 0, I, 1, t, 2, I, then so on. So if you will notice, s is present at index number 5. Okay, suppose you will be having a question that Nitin bhaiya, tell me uh, the index of I. So you will be having a confusion which index it will show. We have 3i in Nitin Singh, that is at index number 1, at index number 3, at index number 6. So let me clear your confusion. It will return the first occurrence of I. That means it will return that index in which the I comes at first. So let me show you. Str.charity of I is equal to I. The approach is same. See, 136. Okay, it's showing 136 because I haven't given a break statement. See, 1. Okay, all right. That's all with this. Let me tell you why I've used a break statement. I've used a break statement because I, I don't want the iteration will proceed. I don't want the iteration should proceeds after getting the first occurrence of I. That for that reason I have used break statement. Break statement simply uh, simply return the control from if statement or from for loop. Okay, it will break the loop. Break statement, it will truncate the loop. That means it's up to you which it's up to you which you want to be accept, which you want to accept. Okay, so that's all for today. So till now let me recap. We have learned the concept of searching. What searching is: searching means getting a particular element at a particular index. Search, we have two types of searching. First linear search, second binary search. And for linear search means searching in a particular sequence or searching in a sequential order. Means first the index 0 will be searched, then index 1 will be searched, then 2, then 3, and so on. So for linear search I have taken two examples. The first, I have taken an array. The searching will be held in an array, and second, the searching will be held in a string. Okay. So in an array, I have traversed the array from index number 0 to the length of an array. If if the element at any index becomes equals to the target element, then it will return the index of that target element. Same with the string. If if it will found if it will found the index, the element at a particular index, then it will return that particular index. And after that I've applied a break statement because I, I don't want to proceed the iteration after getting my answer. So that's it. Thank you so much. uh, we will be we will be interacting in the next lecture. All right, thanks for joining.